What's up, my regular returning supporter? I so much appreciate you for tuning in, and today I'm so happy to meet you, and I have this sick, potent, deep conditioner that's going to leave your hair super supple, hydrated, and of course tangle free, frizzy free, damage free. It's going to free you. This is Freedom Deep Conditioner. So this hair is excited because it's, you know, what time of the day when it comes to taking care of the hair. So if you're new here, by the way, hi. Thank you very much for tuning in. Of course, I so much appreciate you. Just be sure to like this video and also subscribe with a notification bell so you don't get to miss anything I post later in the future here on my channel. So if you're my regular returning supporter, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let me know down in the comments. If you have nothing to say, just be sure to leave me yellow emojis to represent this banana, and of course my so let's get right into it, okay? As promised, my superstar, I said I'm going to show you how to make use of this beautiful DIY avocado hair growth oil for your own hair, guys. Okay, if you are seeing this for the first time, I'll leave the video down in the description box and up in the card so you don't get to miss out anything. So using this DIY avocado oil, I'm going to show you how you can implement it using this coffee to make a very potent hair growth oil that's going to stimulate insane hair growth oil, because coffee is packed with a lot of stuff that I'm going to be mentioning later on the video. So I want you to stay tuned to the end because I'll have a lot of information out there. Using a storage jar, we're going to measure 3 tablespoons of coffee into this jar so we can infuse this adding in decent amount of our DIY avocado oil into the jar, and this it's looking good. So I'm going to show you a method that you can use to infuse this oil, which is very safe for your storage jar and of course for your ingredients in your oils. So fold the towel and put it in your cooking pan so the jar cannot overheat and break, because you're going to do a double boiler method. So you're going to be adding water into the pot. So as the water boils, the oil infuses. So do this process for at least 20 minutes and the oil will be really good. Meanwhile, as our oil is cooling, let's proceed to making our potent deep conditioner, and the ingredients that we'll be using is these ripe bananas. Bananas are amazing for defining the hair, repairing the hair, and overall banana is amazing for the hair. There are multiple benefits. I'm going to leave them down in the description box if you want to see more details, but get your bananas. 4 will be enough if you're making a batch for one person. Peel your bananas, add them into the blender. Using a bigger bowl and a menthol strainer, add in a banana just to make sure those fine particles of banana do not get through, because there are these tiny chunks that banana has that are going to stuck on your hair if you're not going to strain thoroughly, and it's gonna cost you a long wash. So to avoid that, just take a bit of clothing and strain, or you can use a wig cap. So these chunks are going to stuck with you if you skip straining. Now, since our oil are all cooled down, let's strain the oil as well to remove the coffee particles so we can have our coffee oil. Now that we have both coffee oil ready and our banana paste ready, it's time to mix these two ingredients, and I'm telling you, this combo is amazing. There are multiple benefits for using coffee on your hair. Coffee can be used as a leave-in conditioner in some different cases, but today we are using coffee as a deep conditioner. Coffee can also be used as a natural dye for gray hair, so if you have some gray hair like me, then coffee is something that you should really look out for. Also, coffee add vibrance to natural hair color. It's going to enhance your hair color, and your hair is going to look really fancy and bouncy and shiny. So coffee is amazing. Coffee detoxifies scalp. As you know, healthy scalp equals to healthy hair growth, guys. So coffee also detangles and unmanageable hair like mine. You see, this hair is in a puff for days, and coffee will do a great work. As well as coffee stimulates the roots to promote healthy hair growth. So I'm going to be expecting a lot of ingrowing hair, and hence you're going to have voluminous. So you're going to attain volume and thickness in the hair strands. Bananas are excellent to the hair, guys. They add in moisture instantly. As you can see, the minute it touches the hair is fully hydrated because it adds in moisture to the hair, and there will be no more dry hair strand. And of course, banana adds definitions to the hair. As you can see, the waves, easy, no tangles, no frizzy. So banana is a great anti-frizzy on the hair. Bananas contain silica, which silica is used to produce collagen. That's a major building block for production of healthy hair strands. So using this mask, using this recipe, you're going to expect a lot of new growth because of the silica in the banana. Bananas are rich and very nutritious, and of course they add in moisture. To make sure that the hair is deep conditioning, and I'm also adding heat. All this process without heat, guys, you're wasting your time, because for these oils to work off your hair you need to put on heat. Use a heat cup, sit under hooded dry, just add in heat. I highly recommend it. 40 minutes minimum. Bye.